Osia baya 3 days ni video be circulate e wo media ne so na ya rebu ye pa ye sister Mzbel. The video be ya wo kire se ni nua ba akwakohwe ne nkwa e wo kolebu na wo su na ne nchemu nyina ne se ni nua ba no obundu kopie mu e wo kolebu wo ma nya mpa amfa no anto so ya wo da fom be ye 2 days ansa na ni nua ba no efim eno na ma Mzbel de ho ya no ho hotie ebe ye video e wo social media so na video no ebe to monto so na ne Ghana fo anyina eni di ya ole pa na so ebi e de ensam no koye se ahonyosem fi se na wo mo hwe Mzbel se ne wote ne nsam na wo ka no ne accusations na wo de ema e wo the video ni na ebusia eno na sa video e be to monto so na chiye e na kolegufo e de krata e ba monto so wo mo e kire se Mzbel e me church ni nsem se ne wo ka se ni nua ba no ekopie mu e wo kolebu ni nua ba ni di se ne frɛ no e de na course asem be ne siye e wo kolebu ho no se wo mo de mo ho no omo ho se omo bo akra enkwa ho ban te de pa na course potin ya ma Mzbel aba be video na Ghana fo nyina e de wo ma no asan esi kolebu mu na busua sa kata na beto monten so no anso ho a e na sister Mzbel asaba be video ya wa ba kire mu yie ne course potin e wo kolebu abrom de nua ba no kopie mu wo ho ne omo ka kire wo mo enura omo mo koto ya enuru kwa po mo anu so ene ebra ne nua ba ne de firi mu ni nyina no Mzbel asan aba esa video ni nyina e de ma kolebufu a wo kire se wan hye da ma so obese kolebu di ni mu ye course no e na wo ba be kana busua ansa ni baka ko tell Mzbel the video o san be ya ni nchemu o de bae no ye be kan krata ifi kolebu ho bae a wo kire se Mzbel emra no be kire ni nsem ye bi a afia kwa hwe Mzbel the video na wo be ye no tikrata e mi be kan eye kolebufu wo mo logo e na eda so fefefe na wo mo say news release omo tro krata no 7th July 2026 and on the krata e ba monten so kolebu management seek clarification on video by Mzbel. That is the kolebu for no womoje inchemu e de Mzbel ho was say first paragraph no the management of Kolebu Teaching Hospital has taken note of a video currently circulating on social media published by Mzbel which suggests that her relative passed away as a result of the unavailability of a bed at the hospital. Management wishes to assure the public that the hospital treats all allegations concerning patient care with the ultimate seriousness. Since becoming aware of the publication, every effort has been made to establish contact with Mzbel and her family to ascertain the circumstances surrounding the unfortunate incident. In particular, the hospital seeks to determine whether the deceased was referred to Kolebu and denied admission upon arrival, or whether the patient had not yet been transferred to the hospital and was advised to wait the availability of a bed. I say Kolebu for can woman send me a making kind of bonnet of one say, woman no more was patients be about Hobiano, na pomudin and a woman airshing. Some per se, or Mosaka Mzbel nebusian no one say, Ninya Banu, ya refer no free hospital be, and then about Kolebu. And now ya refer ne mo de ne ba Kolebu straight and I try mo say empa anyone to woman chain na ye empa available me ye hye no to say hospitals like I said normally no aya na a referral hospital de bia wo hospital kito na so woman ntimi nso ano a na ya na wo refer wo edom kopie bia Kolebu rage any hospital like I say na aka no eti na Kolebu fo e ka ne sa no. As at the time of this notice, the hospital has not been able to engage the family directly to verify the facts. Management is calling on Mzbel to provide the necessary information to enable us investigate the claims made in the video. For the avoidance of doubt, following the directive issued by His Excellency, the President of the Republic during the 2026 State of the Nation address, that no public hospital should refuse an emergency case, the Board of Kolebu Teaching Hospital dictates management to ensure strict compliance with that policy. This directive has subsequently been reinforced by the Honorable Minister of Health. Besides this directive, the board and management have acquired additional beds and other facilities to ease the incidence of bed unavailability in the hospital. Accordingly, management has consistently reminded all clinical and emergency departments of their obligations to provide emergency care in accordance with national policy. The hospital will therefore regard any deliberate refusal to attend to an emergency patient as a serious breach of establishment policy and would investigate such conduct. As a Kolebu for H, almost say, if you buy a man, John Dramani Mahama, a baby ma State of the Nation address our chair say, men hospital be and Nisa one share emergency cases biano, fitting one or Moshe Mukina, afi health minister so abom masa initiative no, or Mashe Mukina papa, 50 one. Sell Baba Kulibu, na emergency na Kulibu for better no machidia maudi, and ya dare say it be see 18, send ya same way as no my emergency home shim, na baby and the credit de bian one modi so send a mobisa so, and the choir has a breach of contact at the hospital no, a police in ya dare say one best so. While investigation into the matter continue, management wishes to remind patients and their relatives that the hospital has established accessible and effective channels for the submission of complaints. These include the hospital's telephone exchange, direct calls to 0244 406 700, 0244 406 700, the complaint portal on the hospital website, www.kbth.gov.gh, as well as the QR code displayed through the hospital for the lodging of complaints. Was in a sense, Kulibu 4 at the Ahumaya Mibubo, so 0244 406 700 no atuja say complaint be about hospital wa one o fresa Ahumana now their mom budget for fair okwa website also and also now the complaint apakoto QR code bebre e hospital wa betimi scanning now the complaints na alcohol. Complaints submitted through these official channels are promptly investigated and Korle Teaching Hospital remains steadfast its commitment to providing safe, timely, and quality healthcare to the public. We encourage patients and their relatives to utilize the hospital established complaint mechanism to report any concerns or losses in services delivery, thereby enabling management to take appropriate remedial action where necessary. Management exchanged its sincere condolence to the bereaved family and reiterates its commitment to establish the facts surrounding this unfortunate incident in a fair, transparent, and professional manner. Signed, Management of the Korle Teaching Hospital. As a Busamu, and not one extended condolence at the Mzbel and the Busuan no much say, one would the per year, and you should move fine at the best share in Semia Esimu, na say Ekubo be also there, and in Papana so a mass and yen Kobayano, one would never find a Mapan so come and say away. Any news release at Korle for at the buy after said, this is the Mzbel video need the capital monsters so not who's and what you know, and a Mzbel so at the Emunchimu Abba.
Me video yi in response to Korle Teaching Hospital for press release amodi abeto abonten. First of all, meda Korle mpanyimfo ase say omoti asema no omambu amani enguso na omarechi out. De tie ni say mamfa ma asema meto dwa say me di gu aban n'anim ase. Ana say me di gu Korle mpanyimfo anim ase. Ana me di say Korle adwumayefo edwuma. Ni etie ni say me sister no onyo obi a oya yarefo enye so oyare da ho. Saturday etwemu ye me ne kasa several times. Me ba me ne edwuma kra frɛ ne kasa several times. Me share ne bon say Tuesday me ba no ho. Sunday ewia me wo ha na ne ba ne frɛ me ne ba panyi frɛ me. O frɛ me asam o kan ne se ne maami ewu saying, me kasa nra. There was no sign of yare bia na bibi. Yes, rest we come eba ne saying. Amane obo me ne say, me ne maami kasa wie ye anche bia ana osi ne yem. Ne yem ye ne ya. Enti no na wo say omoko hospital. Nti omo call the nearest clinic, aye Asha clinic e wa Accra. Omo call ye hwe no ne transfer no say onko Kolebu. Omo kodru Kolebu no. Yesi empani ho. Ni agina to ho ahwe no. Nti ye de net na plastic chair so. Sana ni yemu ni ya ne se ne aircon no wantimi antena plastic chair no so anche. Enti oda fom e fom se tiles so se terrazzo no so. And other form cement no so se like she was on a bare floor. Your church run Roma ne baba no ne call no. Any nipa mienu ana omo ni we dwuma mu a asem de sie. Ne baba no koto onro ni nyina ba. Afa yesi ye de moja besi ne so omo ntua moja otua moja omo yesa niama we nyina still ya money treatment bia ya nhwe no oda form ho saa ma de chin Sunday na Sunday we a owuye my sister no ye Muslim ento owuye no dana Sunday na eni esi no enra ne yekoye adowa aka 40 days etini esi ye nie se ye de yare for ba hospital na se mpa ni ho cramp na se form no da cramp a e wo se yetime hwe no na wanhwere ne nkwa ya nhwe no so this is not a matter of politics. Sisi content creators bi no mafadi create content and our buying and our politics e bet me ato sa mpani wo situation yenye na start here enye mama buying so na start ye ade a ewo ho na san hihye wo ho se obi ba hospital na se mpani wo kra wo se yehwe no na waba ya toto nro etua moja na ya nhwe na se wewu a nti kamen kama no ntum enti kabusuan nka no ma ye nka hwe ya ne ma fo we jomo because we nya treatment oda fom ya nhwe no edro no so amoko toto ba ye no so on be free hospital na ba no Kolebu fo no ji edro no ya fa edro na ama mo musika na mo de koto ya fa amom ya refund is ke bi amom emo ye mo san kra to iska enti Kolebu mpanyifo ma mfa ma asema metudwa se mi de begu manimu ase ana ase mdwuma ma mfa ma asema metudwa se mi de gu aban ni ma ase mi de asem ne betudwa because we've heard this thing happen so many times enya Kolebu pe government hospital bia beti empani ho me de asem ni betudwa some people reach out to me say so uko Kolebu ana uko government hospital bi na ukete sika ni etie bia ebenya mpa ma wada so ye ni particular ni influencer bi public figure bi na uko a ayarisa bia empani wo kra ye benya ye behwew nti wo se ye nyina ye attitude fu ansa. This is not a matter of politics. This is not a matter of religion. This is not a matter of spirituality. Mudi your content. And a spiritual way, and a religious way, and a politics way. A bet me a two. Se mama me kan, pe Kolebu mpani fo mbe de hu se sa de egu sukoso. Mama ye hwe yi the way asem tu obi na ebeto dwa mudi ye content na mudi didi nipa no ho didi nipa na tem gu nipa no ho fi ekeka ne animu nyina obi a won kwan sa asem ba o kire na adwen ni esi ye no Kolebu benyufo ni esi ye no medical a release press statement ni bi e de ato me page so wa open details bia obetini akwa pa ko ready bi esi Saturday ya eno wu Sunday
Osiawe akwakoye arehosem ya yegina arehosem iso na yamaye sister Mzbel yakọ ene shedin na ewodie no kwasem se ya pa benefo se ewo da mansan ko mu bia be wu nanso ewo bi wo hot wo se ewo we de nam nipa nsa so na nipa yi aso nanom e wo nse do anka ne mre enya nso ye se ne Mzbel di kan se no bed ye a yetiti enya baako enya mienu enya afiwe enya afi atwam eyade a ewo ho a eka me se eyada ne kanka e de asensen wo man Ghana ko mu a besi nne ebi ewiase bia kwa kodui wokoya komudin ayaresa bia kese to se Kolebu to say rich any hospitals like I say na kana obekọ no na nipa ete akonnwam opemfo a waka na ye ba behwe no na wote akonnwam na ensuo si ne so eno de enya ade se eye anika prante besre ye mpanifo no ene akomudin adwumayefo no se anya hwe kra no akomudin de ye mfa ni agro ye mfa anya manosem enti yesre se enyeme bia hospitals no ehia na ewo se sa low bed syndrome no be free ho no omumfa nyoma nwa kwam se hospitals akese den so aye hospitals aye referral cases nko a na wo moje na se case bo won 8 fa ma ho a ehu behia se education ebekoso ni a chet memufo no se wotia wo ya ye Kolebu se oyem ye wo ya ye Kolebu na mum ye polyclinic wo ewo ana ye hospital bi wo area na se education na nko na se nipa no anadwubi den ne ye wakọchi na bibia kwa ne de to ka mu hwi ne ba bedru ho na se woka se enye referral case it is abre wo nye no a eno nam so a ebetumi nipa no akwa akọhwe ne kwente besre se ya de a mo de referral cases nko a na sa education no akoso ama public ni so ho se enye wo ka ha no na ya refer na ede ne ko se ne be no bi ntumi sori keke na wo ma hospital wo ne nko awi achi no won konkofu na explanation be ba say penny ho ni wo kwa penny ho say ni wo kwa ateni wo ba ateni wo mi ogina wo no anya tentulo say ba be Mzbel asem against Kolebu teaching hospital na so ni kwa say say na da bonte so Ghana fo do na anim no no bed a ekoso we akomudin ayaresa bia kese na nam so amadodo na ehwe wo kwati e besre se Ghana ban e behwe no watu ho anamom e de amaye mesre se wo so beja wo comment no e wo comment section wo e de amame all the social media handles no too much GH. Go subscribe, like, share. Now for so you be a makram.